Hey love, struggling to grow your 4C hair? This hair growth tea might be the game changer you just need. Please watch till the end to see how I make it, apply it, and rinse it out. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today. We have our moringa, we have our hibiscus, we have our rosemary tea. All this will be good in growing your hair. So yeah, we start with just mixing that dry up, and then we add hot water, and then we mix that up. It was already very hot, burning my fingers as you can see, but then you just mix that up. The smell is just awesome. Remember, these are herbal teas. The smell is just amazing. It smells so good. But at the end of the day, what we need is just to have this cool down, as it just infuses all, and then we'll now sieve this out. So you ensure that all is sieved out. And then once you've sieved this out, we'll also go ahead and put it in an appliquer bottle, because it's really not very possible to have it applied like this. You can, yes, but you might struggle a bit. So what we do now is put it in an appliquer bottle that will be simple for us to use even as we'll be applying it. So once our tea rinse is ready, the next thing is now to have this applied on our hair. Remember, my hair, I'm always apportioning every piece, so you need also to have that apportioned, and then you apply piece by piece. Ensure that it is fully saturated with water, and then comb that out. What I realized is these tea rinses, because also it is just liquid. And remember, our fussy hair craves liquid for us to be able to soften it up and comb it out. So it becomes very easy to comb out. So the process is very easy. So we'll just keep on applying portion per portion, and then once we are done, we'll be able now to go to the next step of rinsing that out. But even before we go on, I want to give you the benefits of this hair tea rinse, starting with hibiscus. So hibiscus helps promote faster hair growth. It also strengthens your hair and reduces the breakage. While the moringa will help in nourishing your scalp, and it also will help in reducing the shedding, and so therefore just supporting thicker and fuller hair. Then rosemary will just boost your blood circulation to the scalp, and it will stimulate just new growth and keeps the scalp healthy. So if we are to just combine the three of this, because this is why I'm telling you this will grow your hair, is because these three herbs will now help your hair grow longer, stronger, and healthier. So you might need to consider to just use this every month, or even fortnightly. As you're going to wash your hair, keep it in, and then you can just wash it out. And by now I have finished applying it out, and so the next step is just comb that all through, ensuring that my hair is not tangled. This is also can be used as a pre-poo. You can see how easy it is to just comb through, and then I put a head scarf on my hair or rather the shower cap on my hair and stayed with it for the next 30 minutes. You can stay with it even for 1 hour, just as you wish. So we start by rinsing that out. When you go to the shower, just ensure that you've rinsed it out. I'll tell you, the bathroom looks like a crime scene because of the reddish of the hibiscus, but it is all worth it. And then you just do like the normal wash day. So we put, or rather we lather our head with soap, ensure that it is fully given the soap for all the strands, especially the roots that you're working through, the roots. Clean that up. uh, I prefer, because it's 4C hair and it's thick and sometimes it can get easily tangled, I prefer to just work side by side. And once I'm done with one side, then go to the next side, then rinse it out as well. So then we just will rinse it out. We just rinse all the soap out. But then I felt like my hair was not fully clean. So I will also be adding more soap later on, because I just realized that the first wash was not fully clean. You know your hair. And so here I'm just adding extra soap. This is how, guys, you know if your hair is clean or not. When you just add little soap to your hair, can you see the difference between the first time and the second time? When you just add just very very small soap, and then your hair gets fully lathered very very fast, that's how you know your hair is clean. So this time my hair was clean. That is why you can see it. It's just took all the soap in and soaked it up, and formed huge forms on it. So after the wash, we now do the conditioning bit. Ensure your hair still is wet. Conditioner, not a lot. The wetness is what we need a lot of. That is, the water is what we need a lot of. This is the part where now we are also detangling, but not a lot of shading was coming out because I had already done that in the first process. And then after that, I love to massage my hair, guys. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful feeling. And of course, ensure that I have detangled my hair fully. Then we rinse that out and we go to my favorite part. I loved this. This was my first time using this leave-in cream, and trust me, I loved the feeling. It felt so soft. Let me even reduce this volume so that you can hear me gasping about it.
OMG. Oh my god, my hair feels so soft. Oh gosh. I love it already. Very small amount. Oh my god, it feels like heaven. Color?
So I continued applying it, loving the feeling it makes my hair feel so soft. I think my color might just have cracked 4C hairs, girl love, because trust me, it's just so soft, so beautiful. It also smells so nice. So far I use their shampoo. I'm not promoting them, but so far I use their shampoo. I use this leave-in treatment. I also use their protein treatment. They are all amazing for 4C girl. Trust me. And so I just continue with the next side as well. And once I'm done, also I will be doing my 3 strand knots. I always prefer that. Here I was just checking the length. The shrinkage is real, guys. Look at that hair. Anyway, That's it from me, guys. That's how you make, apply, and rinse out your tea rinse. So thank you so much for being here and watching this video. Please watch the next video to see the hairstyle I made after this. And see you next time. Bye bye. Comment, like, and subscribe.